Hey guys, Ed here. Today we have this Toyota Camry, and in this quick video I'd like to show you how to replace your taillight bulbs. So let's start. First of all, you have actually I think only two bulbs. So you have one turn signal here, and this I believe is the brake light, either the reverse light. If using a flathead screwdriver, I'm just gonna get out only one. Okay, so this is how we remove the clip. Okay, so just get it out like this. Just put it here and put the center out, and now you have enough space to get your hand in. Okay, so you can just grab on the light and spin it like this. Okay, that's it. This is how you get the bulb out. Okay, if you have to replace it, I don't know, it depends what kind of bulb you're gonna buy, but you can either replace the whole thing by pressing this connector here and disconnect the light. Let me try to show you. So like this, okay, just gets out like this. Or the other way, if it's available for this bulb, let's see, you can just get it out with your hands, just like this. Okay, so either way, which one you have, just do accordingly. Connect this back. And put in here and secure it. That's it. So take the clip and put it in and put the middle in. That's it. So this is this light. This light is a little bit different. It's a little bit more complicated. Okay, now for that you'll have to use flathead screwdriver. So we have to remove this cover. I have to warn you that this covers the pins. They are very brittle, and most likely you're gonna break some, but I mean, nothing's bad gonna happen, don't worry about it. Just like this, little by little, try to get this plastic out. Don't over force it, just little by little. Get it. That's exactly what happened with me. Now, yeah, so as you can see, this pin is very well, it's just the way it's made. Okay, it's okay. Now next step, remove these two bolts using 10mm ratchet. Once you have both screws out, you can just put them here for a second. Now what happens now is there are pins. There is a plastic pin here, so you don't want to force the light like this. You don't want to get it out like this, because you're gonna break the pin over here. There are two pins that go in like this, so that's why we have to get the bulb out just towards us. Okay, so we're just pulling on it here. What I find the easiest way is I take some screwdriver, okay, so put it somewhere here, and with one hand I'm gonna, because I won't be able to film it right now, so with one hand I'm just pushing this like this, okay, just giving some leverage here. And with the other hand I'm just gonna hold it here, so I don't overforce it to the left and break it. So now I'm gonna get the bulb out. Let's see how it's gonna go. Okay. Like this. Okay. So like this. Now we have it out. So as you can see there, there's actually one pin here and another pin is right here. Okay, so now we have our bulbs. We can replace. So this is how you get it out. Okay, just take it with your fingers, take it off, put it back in. And when you're done, just put it back in. Same thing here. This turn signal. Okay, just get it out like this. That's it. This is how you get the bulb out. Okay, so to put it back in, same reverse procedure. I'm gonna try to get pins back in place. Okay, align it, make sure it's nice and everything is correct, and then you just tap it back in place. That's it. Okay, so the light is back in. Put back 2 screws. Okay, once the screws are back in, take your lid and put it back in. Whoops. Okay, that's it. Okay guys, so hope this helps. If it does, please press like button and have a great day. Bye bye.